The site faces out northeast, which is overlooking Takapuna Beach. We look out through the two mature pohutukawa trees out towards a view of Rangitoto over the water. As you arrive at the property, you're greeted with the sound of the water from the water feature, this kind of really gentle kind of trickling in the background. The planted kind of batten screen above the garage. The front door is a really generous sized copper-clad pivot door, and it gives a real sense of weight and texture as you enter the house. The high-level glazing over the living and kitchen areas create these raised voids. It also provided a really even quality of light within those areas, and also allowed some beautiful light play across the grunty concrete work that we had for the in-situ blade walls. We designed a round skylight over a bowl-shaped bath, which offers an ever-changing quality of light to the main ensuite as the sunlight shifts around the room over the course of the day. The green roof is essentially a Neuralite green roof system, but Natural Habitats had created these pre-planted pillows of soil that we were able to place onto the roof. It creates a really lush and rich foreground to the view out to Rangitoto. Designing a house to sit in a city, we're having to deal with increasingly higher densities. So we're having to achieve really good quality spaces within much more compact footprints, while still dealing with the issues of privacy. The house transforms in the evening, where it becomes really dark on the outside and all you can hear are the sound of the waves crashing on the beach. But you're enclosed with the fire going and the soft light, and you get a sense that you're in this really serene cocoon.